friends, today we're gonna make our rainforest mural. So we're gonna start with our tree. Now you can use whatever you want to do this. Markers, crayons, paint, paper, paper mache, whatever you want. You can make it as easy or as hard or as messy or do whatever you want with it, okay? So I'm gonna, for the trees, gonna recycle our paper mache tree from the savannah and make it into the rainforest. So I have our tree here. I added the blue background just for some color. And we're going to put our leaves on it. So I'm gonna use tissue paper for the leaves and just glue those down. The glue's a little stinky today, so I'm gonna put my mask on so it doesn't smell so bad. So let's see. Okay, you like it? It has flowers on it. So let's get the glue here. It's just gonna all make one giant ball. That's cool. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna try to make sure you guys can see this. Gonna crumple up my paper, and then I'm gonna stick it down. There we go. Gonna add some more right here. Crumple it up and stick it down. And again. More glue. Crumple it up and stick it down. And just a couple more times. I'm gonna do it again, and I'll just put a lot so we can put it both pieces. Crumple it up. And again. And let's look at our, where'd it go? And let's look at our tree. I like it. Show me pictures of yours, okay? Bye, guys.